VCVC was up 42%, now trading at $17. Yes, we entered at about $10.80, somewhere around here, December. Yep. So here we were buying December 28, 29, 30. Yep. So it's now trading at about $18. Oh, sorry, $17. Might even go to $25 later on. So what is this acquisition that we see VCU? What was it that made people go rampant in buying it? The answer, guys, is Ree Auto. Ree Automotive is the SPAC that's going to be inside VCVCU. So SPAC 10x Capital Venture jumps on the report of taking Ree Automotive public. This is an Israeli startup planning a merger. Wow. So let's read this Ree Auto. This is is a 10x company. So let's read a lot about this Israeli startup. The news was just shared 7 hours ago. But we know a lot about this Ree company already. Very strong company, negotiating for a $3 to $4 billion NASDAQ listing, is now going into a SPAC merger. This is a developer of modular platforms. Think about it like EV skateboards, electric vehicle skateboards. Now, they've been negotiating for more than 3 months, and finally, we know where it's going. It's going to be in VCVC. This company is owned by Daniel Barrel and Ahishai Swords. They revealed that they can cheapen and shorten the development of electric vehicles, and some car manufacturers have even begun outsourcing their electric platforms on which they plan to base their future models. American Rivian has actually raised over $6 billion, providing Ford the platform for manufacturing their electric off-road vehicle, among others, and will also manufacture similar models under its own brand. Hyundai is planning to launch in 2 years as an electric vehicle based on a platform built by American company Canoo. Coincidentally, Canoo was actually going public through Hennessy Capital HCAC at a $2.4 billion. Ree has developed an industry-unique technology offering a choice of Ree corner modules, each sized differently based on platform weight, dimensions, and targeted applications. The Ree corner integrates all traditional vehicle components, steering, braking, suspension, e-motor into the wheels arc, and the Ree board, which is a completely flat and modular chassis platform. That clears more room for passengers or cargo, with the unique structure also making maintenance and repairs easier to conduct. Why don't we watch this Ree on track, guys? Ta-da! Let's watch this. 1 minute. Next generation EV platform. So they are ready to carry the EV platform of tomorrow. As you could see, their main business is OEM, original equipment manufacturer. They already have, as of August 2020, they signed a memorandum of understanding with global OEM Mahindra, establishing a strategic collaboration of developing and producing an initial capacity of about 250,000 EVs aimed for the commercial market. This also follows from partnerships that we already have with AAM, KYB, Musashi, NSK, and Mitsubishi Corporation. In fact, by end of 2020, we will deliver to our clients the first platforms on which they will be able to deliver and develop their vehicles. Ahishai Swords told Calculus that in October. So they continue to recruit new employees during the pandemic. They currently have 130 people, mostly in Israel. Some are in Birmingham, England, Frankfurt, and Munich in Germany, and Michigan and Silicon Valley in the US. So far, they have investors such as Fiat Chrysler, Toyota, Mitsubishi, as well as Mobileye co-founder Ziv Abiram, Gil Agman, and several Israeli institutional investors. Guys, who's Mobileye? That's the Intel unicorn startup as well, who handles the LiDAR. So very great Israeli companies that are really innovative, that are at the heart of this electric revolution to cheapen the cars. Very cool, guys, this Ree. So I'm not surprised why people are seeing that this is an interesting company. A lot of partnerships, guys. EV startup that puts the engine, interesting engineering. So let's read more about this company. We can even learn more on their own website itself. So let's go to their website. It's a real world concept. They've already proven it. They've already shown that their modular next gen EV platforms is going to be a way to design, transport passengers and cargoes for a cheaper North American market delivery market. So it's ready to use, enables the customers to choose the size that suits the vehicle requirements, offering a modular recorner, each with different sizing based on their platform weight. So there, what did the CEO said, Daniel Barrell? Our ambition as RE is to be the industry leader in the next gen EV platform. We've already got key global OEMs and tier one suppliers, and we want to develop the EVs of tomorrow. We want to provide the perfect solution for future mobility solutions, providing versatility and freedom of design for commercial EVs, autonomous last mile delivery pods, and beyond. And with the unprecedented boom in e-commerce accelerated by COVID-19, the need for EV fleets is increasing exponentially. So basically, they're saying that they're there for the last mile delivery solution. So our vision is to make REE platforms the cornerstone of zero-emission EVs and AVs. It's becoming a reality. Congratulations to Ree Automotive. Congratulations as well to VCVC shareholders. It looks like we have a winner here. So as the 10x tells you, winners win. You can learn more, probably go to their own website. That's just news for you today. More ideas if you just take in closer about the Hino motors, etc.